So this is going to be a brief video about certain properties of liquids we are going to work with in this chapter. Right? First of which is surface tension. So what molecules do when they're interacting with each other in a liquid, for example, is if they exhibit intermolecular force, they are going to pull and attract on each other. You can think of, let's use water for an example. The very top layer of water is like an elastic film. The amount of energy required to stretch or increase the surface by a unit area of that elastic film is a measure of how sticky and how much these molecules adhere to each other. It's kind of how bugs are able to walk across, or it is how bugs are able to walk across surfaces of water. If you have strong intermolecular forces, you're going to have a high surface tension. Other properties of liquids that are related to intermolecular force are cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion is the tendency for molecules to attract and bond to each other. You can see that in this capillary tube, nothing's moving up the tube because cohesion between this liquid is stronger than the adhesion to the capillary tube. So the cohesion is winning out in this example. They're more attracted to each other, so they do not want to go up a capillary tube. Adhesion is the attraction between unlike molecules. So the attraction of adhesion in this sample of water climbing up a capillary tube. This is how plants will take up water through capillary action. The attraction of this water to the capillary tube is greater to a certain degree to the cohesion, so it can go up the capillary tube. So adhesion is the attraction between unlike molecules, whereas cohesion is the attraction between like molecules. Okay. Another property we'll be dealing with is viscosity. So it's a measure of a fluid's resistance to flow. You can think of a fluid that really wants to attach to itself as being more stubborn to flowing and moving, and it's something that's less attracted to itself being less stubborn. Strong intermolecular forces are going to be associated with a high viscosity. Weak intermolecular forces can be associated with a low viscosity. And water has a crystalline 3D structure, and it is a unique substance that's worth pointing out because water is one rare substance in which the density of its solid form is actually less than its liquid form. Hence, ice freezes in a pond from the top down and not from the bottom up.